So in this video, I'm going to show you Google Classroom from a student's perspective. My name is Eric Wahus. I'm a digital learning specialist for Transylvania County Schools. So to get started, we'll go to Google Classroom. So to get there, you can click on the waffle menu and click on Classroom. And then you just click on the classroom that you want to do. So the first screen that's going to come up is called the Stream screen. And so what's on this, there's a couple important things on here. One is if your teacher has enabled the Meet link, this link will show up, and that's how you can automatically just go straight into a Google Meet with your teacher. If your teacher is already in there, as a student, you can't get in there until your teacher gets started. And the other thing is this upcoming. This will display all the different assignments that you have coming up. And if you click on View All, you'll see that you have all your assignments, the ones that are assigned to you, the ones that have been returned, and then of course if you have any missing work as well. So that's just a quick, easy way to look at what's on this screen. The majority of your stuff is going to come into the classwork screen. So on here, you'll see different assignments, and if your teachers are using topics, you'll see the different topics. And what's nice is you can just click on that topic and go straight to those individual topics. So the first one I want to show you is like this picture of yourself. So if you click on the assignment and you click on View Assignment, it's going to say, please find a picture and turn in a picture of yourself or a picture that represents you. So in order to do that, you're going to click Add or Create. And then if it's in a Google Drive, if it's a link, if it's a file, you can also create new documents if that assignment so calls for those different assignments. So you would probably look in your Google Drive, find a picture of yourself, upload it, and then add or create it. And then once you do that, then you'll click Mark as done. And what that's going to tell you is the teacher is that you've turned it in. It tells you you've done it, and it lets your teacher know that you've done it as well. Okay. The next thing is this turn in assignment. So here you're going to click on this assignment, and you can either go to View Assignment or you can click on here, and it's going to open up automatically into a Google Doc, which already has your name attached because the teacher has created it to where it's going to create a document for each individual student with your name attached to it. So in this instance, it says write 5 sentences with your vocabulary words. So you would write your 5 sentences or do the worksheet or do whatever you needed to do. And then what's really nice within Google Docs now is there's this turn in here. So you can either turn in the assignment from here or you can go back into Google Classroom and turn it in. But what's nice is you click turn it in, and then you're going to come up and it's going to ask you, do you really want to turn this in? And you click yes. And as you can see, then it's turned in. You're good to go. You don't have to worry about that assignment anymore. Okay. So in Unit 2, this mark is done, which we kind of already did with the picture of yourself, but you would click here and it says, please read for 20 minutes, and then mark as done. So you do your reading, and then you just click mark as done so that your teacher knows that you've done it. And that's all there is to that one. You may have already done this before, but just as an example, this is a quiz using Google Forms. So you would just click on the quiz, you would answer the questions, and then you would click submit. And what's nice with this, with the teachers, depending on how they have it set up, it will automatically tell you your score, or it may not. It just depends on how the teacher has that set up. But once you take it and submit it, then you're done. You've taken the quiz, and you don't have to worry about that one anymore as well. And this last one is just some resources, and your teachers may use this periodically, and this is just more for just information, stuff you might need to help you. Like if you're in a science class, a copy of the periodic table. It may have notes. It may have vocabulary words for the first 9 weeks or whatever. Just more helpful information to help you with assignments that you might need. So that's all those resources. And you can tell by the icons, if I go back here to all topics, you can see that these are all assignments. Okay, and then you have your resources, which is this. So this is how you can navigate through Google Classroom as a student and turn things in, make sure you've marked things as done or that you've turned them in, those types of things. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.